everyone, my name is Brittany and today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious brown sugar streusel. It's great on muffins or pies and I know you'll love it. So let's get started. To begin this recipe, I have 2/3 of a cup of all-purpose flour here in my bowl. I'm going to go ahead and add 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar, and this is dark brown sugar. And then I have 1 tablespoon of sugar. Give these a nice mix together. Now that that's good and combined, I have 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter here that's melted, and I'm just gonna pour that right on top. Give it another mix, and I'm gonna mix this until all of the flour is incorporated and hydrated with butter. Now I'm gonna sit this in the freezer for 15 minutes and then I'll be able to put it on anything I want. For this batch of crumble, I'm gonna be making apple pie bars. If you wanna see how I make these apple pie bars, you can check out the recipe. I'm gonna link it right up here and down in the description box. They give a beautiful crunch to these apple pie bars and I absolutely love it. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel. And if you'd like to get more recipes like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I post every Friday. Thanks for watching.